Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if Google Chrome keeps crashing or freezing on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method on consists of three steps. First step, you just need to open up Chrome and select the three dot icon, scroll down and select settings. On left side, scroll down and select about Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates, and after getting Chrome is up to date, second step, you just need to select privacy and security on the left side. Select delete browsing data. Checkmark cookies and site data. And checkmark cached images and files. And now select this time range to all time and select delete data. Third step on the left side, select extensions. You just need to disable every extensions listed over here. After that, just close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, you just need to select reset settings. Select the restore settings to their original defaults option and select the reset setting option. After that, Chrome will restore back to default settings and you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.